So today I'm going to show you how to make a floral arrangement using one of those banana pudding bowls. Foam that needs to be soaked in water, so we'll need that because we're going to be using fresh flowers. We're going to have us a nice little dish. We want our arrangement that goes in this dish to be very short, so it can't come up too high. It has to be low. We're also going to be using green kind of tape, but it's very, very sticky because what we're going to be doing is taking this wet oasis, putting it in here and taping it in so it doesn't fall out. Okay, so, and then I use a knife to cut my flowers with. So then take my bowl of water and drop it in. I'm going to be putting it in the dish. And I trimmed it so that it would fit in there nice. Take the wet oasis. Generally you want to start with the bigger flowers and end up with the smaller flowers. So in this case, I think I'm going to start with the daisy mugs. And remember, on this particular part of the arrangement, I want it really low because I'm going to do something with it and I don't want it standing up too high. So we're just going to start putting these in. Okay, now that I've brightened things up because it's kind of rainy outside, now we're going to do the other part of the arrangement, which will include the banana pudding bowl. And let me show you what we're going to do with that. Most of you probably think, oh, we're just going to set it down inside. No, we're going to do something very exciting. We're going to take the banana pudding bowl and we're going to put it down on top of what we just made. And that's why I said not to make it too tall, because it's now a perfect size to go over our little arrangement. It's going to go in the stem of the pudding bowl because it's got a nice deep stem there. There'll be plenty of water for the flowers. And now we're going to make another arrangement. This one you can get tall, you know, and you can branch out. But before we start putting the flowers in, we're going to put a little decoration around here. Fringe like that, you can cut a piece off and put a little piece of tape down here and put it on and have that around there. Or if you have a really nice bracelet you like that has danglies on it, yeah, you can take that, stretch it around, and put the danglies on top there. Then do your arrangement. Don't forget to put your bracelet on before you put the arrangement in, which the trim you can put on after you do the arrangement. If you want, you can take this one in too, just to make sure that if you put flowers that are heavy, it's not going to drop off on you, so you tape it down really good. Okay, so basically then what you end up with is a cute little round arrangement like that, nice and low, and then another arrangement that you set on top. So it's like a double-decker arrangement. Obviously, you don't want to cover up too much because you want to be able to see that arrangement down there. Maybe a necklace. Let's go try a necklace. How's that? It's there. You could double that around, fasten it, and give it a nice little dressy thing there. Or the very, very popular bracelets that you have nowadays, just the cute little snap-on. You could put that on, snap it on, and have a nice little collar there. If you had a fringe that wasn't that elaborate, like that. So I hope you had fun doing your arrangement in a pudding bowl.
Or you could just use the pudding bowl by itself with something really pretty or fascinating underneath. Here I've used candies and cookies with artificial roses underneath in the bowl. And we could do like M&Ms or mints in the middle with cookies around the edges. And here we're having a coffee party or tea party where you have your condiments displayed in a really fascinating way. Sticks to dunk into the coffee or tea, make it fun. And here we have crackers and cheese. You could do chips and dip, but notice there's not a lot of room on that rim there, so you'll just want enough to make a pretty centerpiece or conversation piece, and then have extra plates of your crackers or cookies nearby to supplement for a larger party. And here I used fresh fruit. Now you could have in the middle yogurt or cream cheese or apple dip, just something fun and kind of exciting as a centerpiece.